Okay, so let's move to the next section where we're gonna make this client section. So for that, what we have to do, you can see that here we have the project. So we can duplicate that again, and we're gonna use the same layout again. We can just remove that. Okay, so I will show you the smartest way to make the websites. Okay, so we are using the AI now. So we are in the smart world, and you can also make how to use these things to make websites. So you can see that we have the client to sales, and here we have the Lorentz value, all will be same. Just we can go to this second one. Here you have the carousel, and here we have this. Let's remove all of this. Then inside this we have this container, and inside this you can see we have the flip box. So we can delete this flip box from here. So now you can see that we have to make this. So first we can go to this container. Let's make this color gray, and we can put some padding here like 40. Okay, then we can put the 40, and here we can make the full width. Here also we can make this full width. Okay, then here we can add one more container, and we can just duplicate this here, and here we can just make this page within center. Then here we can make this 30, and here also we can make this 70, and here we can choose any random image. Okay, and here we can choose the we can choose the mask option here. We have the mask option here. We can choose this circle, and now we can go to this. Okay, so this is the parent one. We can make this like this. Here we can add. Here we can add icon. Here you can choose this icon. Here we can search for the quote icon. You can make this color here green. Okay. Then we can go to this heading here. Okay, let's don't use the heading, let's use the para. And here we can use this. So let me use this only. Here we can make this visual font, and I'm gonna increase make this uppercase, and we're gonna increase this. Okay, like this. And here we can make this 600. Here we can make this white. Okay, we can decrease the size of this to 30.2. Okay, then again we can just make it here this, and here we can write Jack Mantio Senior. Here we can write Jack Mantio Senior, and here we can also make this Poppins, and here we can make this white like this. Okay, like this. So now what we can do, we can just go to the carousel, and here we can make this lights, and here we can make this one. Okay, so here we can now, you can see that these arrows are above. So we can fix that arrow. We can go to the navigation, and here you can see that we have this. We can make this little. Can make this 6. Here we can also make this 6. Okay, that's it. Let's publish. So here you can see that we have built the client section also. Okay, now let's refresh it here. And after refreshing, if I go below, you can see that we have the client section also ready, and this is also working fine. Okay, so in this way you can make website very fast by using the Elementor. So now let's move to the next section where we're gonna build this prices, and then we're gonna build this blog section and some more sections left now.